What's going on, folks? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on some maintenance on the bike. We're going to be working on adjusting my EFM auto clutch. If you're running one of these, you already know these things are a game changer as far as riding in traffic or riding slow. You know, if you have difficulty keeping your bike up and messing with the clutch and things of that nature, this is the game changer that you need. But even with auto clutches, like anything, they need adjustment. They can drag, they can slip. So you got to make sure you stay up on your maintenance. So today, that's what I'm going to do. I've got it dragging a little bit. It's kind of lurching forward. So we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can rectify that, get it fixed. That way we can keep riding and get some more miles in for this summer. So appreciate you guys checking me out. Let's get to it. Before we get started, let's dive in to an overview of the EFM auto clutch. EFM replaces your pressure plate and adds a centrifugal mechanism that engages the clutch automatically as RPMs increase. You still can use your clutch lever to shift at low speeds and into neutral, but also, in my case, you can do this leverless. Tools we're going to need for this project. For my bike specific, I have 3/16 bolts, so that's the socket I'm gonna need. So we'll be using that to get the derby cover off. To adjust the clutch cable, need 1/2-inch wrenches. Need a screwdriver with a narrow tip to get into once we get in the derby cover. Loctite, orange stuff, good for vibration. And last but not least, torque wrench, because we gotta torque it all down. All right, let's get going. To get started, we're going to go ahead and pull the derby cover off. I'm going to use the 3/16 bit, add a crisscross pattern to remove the derby cover. With the EFM, we're not adjusting a typical spring-loaded pressure plate. This one's all centrifugal. Your main focus is the center adjuster screw. Same location as stock, but the process is a little different. Start by backing out the adjuster screw counterclockwise until it spins freely. Now slowly turn it back in clockwise until it touches the push rod. Here's where it's different. Back it out only an 1/8 to a 1/4 turn, not a full half like stock. Too much free play and the auto clutch won't engage properly. Too little and it'll drag. See, my clutch lever is loose, but it's not all the way loose. It's got a little tension on it. But for the way that my clutch works, it's got to have all the play. As I start trying to install the gasket, I continually fail. This is one of the harder gaskets to install on this bike, and doing it with one hand, I wouldn't say it's impossible, but it's very difficult. I had to speed up the video just so you can see the attempt, but eventually I got it. Reinstall your derby cover using the original bolts. Tighten in a crisscross pattern. Torque it to spec. I'll admit this was not done gracefully, but mission accomplished. If you see any leaks, check the O-ring or your gasket. Give the bike a quick start. With the EFM, you should be able to shift into gear at idle without pulling in the clutch, and no stall. And that's how you adjust an EFM auto clutch on a Harley. Smooth launches, no stalls, no drama. Ride it like normal. If you feel drag or slipping, recheck that center screw.